I hope everyone's enjoying their Christmas and celebrating it. Are y'all? I can't hear you. Are you celebrating it? I'm sure you are. But I'm sure it's not the fullest until you do something very Christmassy with the Learning Box by Puntoon Kids. So today I am here to make a yummy Christmassy smoothie with all of you. Are you all ready? So let me tell you what you need. You need some washed and chopped strawberries. Yummy, aren't they? And healthy too. You also need some peeled and chopped kiwi, which is again very healthy. So should we call it a Christmassy smoothie or should we call it a Christmassy healthy smoothie? Yeah. And we need some vanilla ice cream and yummy choco sticks. So let's start. Let's take some strawberries and we have to mash these, okay? But we won't mash all because some nice pieces will also taste yummy in the smoothie. So we're going to remove some pieces and some pieces we shall mash. So let's take a fork. Yes. And mash. And mash. And mash. Wow. The strawberries look nice and yummy and juicy. So let's mash it and mash it. Okay. And my strawberry mash is ready. Juicy. I think I'm going to put some more. Yes, so that I have more syrup. Let me put some more and shall mash it. Okay. Once your strawberry mash is ready, what are we going to do? We are going to take some kiwi. And again, we are not going to mash the entire kiwi. Okay. We will mash some of it and we will put some as pieces. Let me wipe the strawberry that's fallen. Okay, and I'm going to now mash and mash. Mash the kiwi. Are these lovely colors Christmassy? Yes, green and red. And of course, we'll add whites to it. So let's see what happens now. There, the kiwi mash is ready. And now I'm going to take a glass and I'm going to put the strawberry mash first and some yummy strawberry pieces. Now I shall put some vanilla ice cream, everyone's favorite. And as white as snow, look at that. And that goes down the smoothie to make it heavenly yummy. And then goes the green to complete the Christmassy colors. And now some green kiwi pieces. And there. Does your smoothie look nice and yummy? I just want to eat it. Should I eat it? No. Why? Because we still have some yummy topping to do. What am I going to do? I'm going to take this choco yummy stick and I am going to put it on the side. And there, look at the yummy smoothie. Is it nice? Does it look lovely, nice and Christmassy? What do we have to do? We have to keep it in the refrigerator for some time. And then take it and have your Christmassy and healthy and yummy smoothie. Yes. So did you all like making it? And I'm sure you're going to love it when you all taste it. Yes? So I hope you all have enjoyed learning the smoothie. And don't ever forget to wear your apron while cooking so that you don't dirty your lovely clothes. And also, we usually wear a chef's cap while cooking or even making a smoothie so that our hair does not fall in the food. But today I have a Santa cap, so I didn't need that. And I hope all of you all enjoy your smoothie just the way I'm going to do now. And if you all have liked it, please do like, share and subscribe. And a Merry Christmas to all of you. Bye.